Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to withdraw from Kraken to bank account. So the first step is to link our bank account. So you have to simply tap on account. You can find that at the bottom of your screen. And then what you have to do is simply tap on payment methods. And then here, as you can see, you have different options. So as you can see, you have cards. So if you can see bank account, that means that Kraken doesn't support that in your country. So as you can see, I have only the card option. So you'll have to simply tap on that and add your details. And then what you'll have to do is go back and then tap on these arrows. And then what you'll have to do next is simply tap on withdraw. As you can see, you have withdraw cash or crypto. And as you can see, in order to do that, you need cash or crypto. And basically, you'll be able to choose your bank account, or if you want, you can simply add the bank account details right away when you tap on withdraw. And basically, this is how you can withdraw from Kraken to bank account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.